ship these orders. Everybody keep them coming. It's entrepreneur season. Had some orders that I had to pack. Since I work a full-time job, I have to do my packing on my lunch break. So as soon as I hit that clock out lunch button, then I just start packing orders. Well, that's my math. Yeah, packing orders up. So it's a daily post office run. Whoop. Squirrels running across the road. So, what did I sell? Well, what am I shipping today? I sold a lot today. Weekend was lit with orders popping in. Since the Christmas season coming. So, shipping out some pear glaze, you know, that Victoria's Secret fragrance. I just got that in and it's basically almost sold out. Fizzy Pop Incense, that's like one of my favorite incense. Close that, that's loud. Oh man, it smells like the best soda ever with a little bit of like Sprite fizz poppy going on. And you don't even have to really burn it. You can just put that joker somewhere, just lay it somewhere, and the whole room just, oh, it smells so good. And then I got in some Carlos Santana for men. That is smelling wonderful as well. Shipping that out. And then I'm having issues where, because I have many people I work with, companies I work with, fragrances coming from all over the place. So someone wanted some ramen noodle soup fragrance oil. So why in the world is the pandemic has this shipment slowing down? So I have to, you know, oh my God, this person can't park. What's going on here? And it's him. Yeah, we can't, trying to get that product in, and I'm gonna ship it right on out. But I'm here at the post office. This guy's parked all over the space, so. But that's what's going on. This is like my first video where I'm like letting people see, you know, how my life is going. Trying to run unique oils. Dang. Handbag junky, where I just changed handbag junky to fashion junky. And man, can I back up? Thank you. Oh, yeah, I just changed my handbag junky site. I merged it with another website that I had going on, Fashion Junky, because it made more sense because of what I'm about to jump straight into. So I'll be getting in a lot of really nice stuff that I probably have models and all that. My daughter is gonna help model. I'll be modeling, working with like LA Fashion District, that type of stuff. But it's gonna be really hype. But I got so busy with other stuff that I couldn't completely get everything in before this Christmas season started to hot. But I'll be working on that, as well as other endeavors I got going on. But please stay tuned. Thank you. See y'all later. And order it from uniqlos.com. Thank you.